Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new dawn and a new day. And today is Sunday. It is Sunday. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is hot in this car. Oh, today is Sunday, and that means Sunday Club. I actually tell you guys all the time, I hate Sundays. Stop it. As I was saying, I tell you guys, I absolutely hate Sundays. I think it's the most boring day in the world, but oh my gosh, look at this.
You're alright on your feet, won't you?
Yeah. Oh my god, door-to-door service, full English breakfast.
I'll get you rain, won't it?
Mate, you're a legend. That is the perfect way to start the day. Holy shizer, Wesley, that looks good. Wait, screw the breakfast. Are you really hooking me up right now? I couldn't ask for anything better than that. Whoa!
Go on, Bobby!
What's going on here? You already on it? Is that Shandy?
Yeah, got some.
No, do a bloody hell! You're about to want to have my babies. First of all, full English breakfast. Yes. Yeah? Do you want to know something better? Right? Let me get it. You're about to want to have my babies. Eyes pop. Isn't that just the most amazing thing? Cheers. This is what I call a win. Coffees, waters, food, massive fan. Hell yeah. Stephen Hill, you are an absolute saint. So, I'm going to try a last call. I'm not feeling rough, I'm really not, but you push it down like the top bit. Okay, pretty sure you press that down and you shake it. Doesn't taste of anything, really. Oh, I've seen that off. Now that, apparently, should make you a bit bitty. But that should make you feel like new. Goodbye now. I love you. Travel safe, okay? Hey, until next time, we go again. And just like that, Lindsay has gone and Sunday Fun Day begins. I'm already telling you, whoa, you know that drink I just drank? Bloody hell has it kicked in. I actually feel so much more refreshed just after drinking that. I feel great. I feel actually great. But I now need to make sure the house is all clean and is all tidy, because the boyskis are coming round. And yeah, I tried to move the table last night and the leg fell off it. Damn. Come on in! Yes, the boys. Oh my gosh! Look at mate, man's turning up with chili.
Mate, I was doing this at 10 o'clock last night.
Who else is here? Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing? Give you a fist pump, fist pump.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Alright, big tasty. Do you want this carrying in? What are you wearing? Love it. Wait, what happens if you drop a card? Oh, that looks nasty, that. Welcome to Sunday Club. Guys, should we have a toast to Sunday Club? To Sunday Club in style. Come. Cheers, boys. Well done, Shy. Good lad. Go on. Beautiful. All right, showered, fresh, new dawn, new day. I've got a feeling that Scott is not going to last long because he's already getting naked. What on earth is going on? All right, now, come on, you. It's an absolutely lovely day. And you're coming playing out. I got you, buddy, I got you. Oh, yeah. Big Steve. I thought that was for Steve, but it turns out it was for Carl. The boys are here, and the boy himself is out. He's so bloody cute, aren't you? Look at him. Just gotta say, aren't you? Perfection. The boys, the doggy, and the Stephen. Basking in the sun. Look at him. You definitely are courage. 10 out of 10. Well, come on in. Oh, I'm liking the look of this. Come. It's gorgeous round back, seriously, get in. And the members of Sunday Club continue with our latest edition of Thomas McCallius. Welcome, park it there. You look like a oh, great, nice one. It took me 2 days to finally piece all these cushions together correctly. It's gonna be a long one, so I've got to come clean. Well, not come clean. I did put it on Twitter sort of thing, but I had no time yesterday to edit the videos because I woke up at 5 p.m. and then went straight out to Manchester. So Ryan on my live stream heard that I was absolutely struggling. He was like, just send me the footage, it's fine. So I'm gonna give him a bonus, all right, for editing the vlog and the gaming video, so really appreciate it, bro. And he's probably edited this one as well. No, actually, I'll be editing this one. But then today, because everyone came round, it'd take me an hour to go and edit the video. So I was like, I texted Ryan being like, listen, you don't have to do it, okay? But if you can edit the vlog for me, I'll pay you a bonus, and I'd really appreciate it. And he did do so, or he is doing so. Hopefully soon, the vlog will go live, because I would not be able to do it. I've got all these people at my house. Ta-da! But I haven't got time for to edit the vlog. Got to socialise! Mate, we said 6 o'clock you'd be out. 5-2. Absolutely. Oh!
Hey, we're doing a video takeover.
It's courage HD.
Big video takeover. Casel's not got his phone, he's over there. Look at him. Mr. Steal Your Girl over there. Go on, what's she called? Come on, Sam, what's she called? Your favourite follower?
Don't know what she's called.
Rhino's bottled it. Look at that there.
Wait, why is he wet?
What the fuck is he doing? Wedge and Becky takeover. 2K19. Let's go. Here we go. Here we are. The boys, the girls. And then there's Scott.
We can't wait to double date. Where are you going to take us?
The Grapes Hotel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa.
What are we making here? What's this? What are you making? And getting warm in the rain? Is that the... I don't know the lyrics. I can't believe... Oh no, it's open! No! I can't believe in this entire house I don't have a cocktail shaker. I'm so sorry. I've let you down. It's working a charm. Go on, Wes. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Go on. Hello, doggy. Do not drink that. Don't drink it. Smells heavenly. Whoa, that it's strong though. That. Hey, like a lost child. We thought Rhino. He ghosted it. We thought he'd ghosted and left. He's just absolutely sponked out his face down here. Mate, we're on Find My Friend looking for you. I was about to chase after you on the scooter. Chris, I'm looking for a word. It starts with N.
No way.
Get that away from us now. Oh, you are nasty. What are you doing? That's brutal. No thanks.
Fucking naughty.
All right, he's never had it before. Oh my God, it's hanging. Up. Oh, it's knocked his socks off. It's Drambuie. Woo, she took it like an absolute champ. Cheers, well done, well done. Get here, another one. We like to drink with Molly, because Molly is our mate. And when we drink with Molly, she takes it. Oh my. She's not even flinched. Sam, what are you doing? Sam, what are you doing?
Sam.
You are an absolute idiot. Molly, respect. You absolutely none. Why would you even do that? Do you want to know what Sam looks like in 5 minutes' time? We're trying to stop you from smoking, Sam. You don't need it. You don't need. Oh, I love him. Oh.
I want to smoke. Smoking kills. I want to smoke.
Chris, give it me. I just mute the audio. I just mute the audio. I'm editing it, bitch. Go on. I don't know who they are. Where was it? That is. Get home safe, okay? I love you, brother. You're the best. You're the absolute best. Sam, what are you doing? What on earth is wrong with these sausages? I've never seen such weird shapes.
Rhinos.
What's rhino?
That's where Sam's been in his.
It's a tray full of penises.
And they're going in.
Sam's car keys. Being the responsible adult. By the way, drunk Tom, this is drunk Tom now. Sober Tom will have no idea where I put those keys. So when Sam in the morning's like, where are my keys? I'm like, I have no idea. Drunk Tom knows. Was Sunday Club a success? It was, wasn't it? It goddamn was. Look at that. Sun's setting. We're going to go to the pub now. So I'm locking up. We're going down there for a drink. We're meeting up with No Way Chris Ashcroft. And yeah, we're just continuing the night. Honestly, I love Sundays, but I love Sundays now, but I think this is an exception. It's a bank holiday Sunday, so that's maybe why I love it. Anyway, we're off Ski-Meadowskis, and we are going to the Grapes. We're probably going to come back here afterwards, but alright, that's a linked bottle. We're going to the Grapes. Alright, what are you doing? Just behave. Right, the devil and soul is inside you, you'll die. Sorry, that's definitely a zoom-in moment, but... yeah, the contrast on the iPhone, nothing wrong with it. It's totally not... I totally look this red. Totally. Don't even understand how that's even happening. Bit of white light. Whoa! Normal? The devil and soul will kill you. We're going off to the pub, so let's do it! Say shotguns! I said anything!
Come here every weekend and get drunk and then goes away.
Yes.
After.
Can we ask you a question? Is he okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Well, this music playlist of Akon has got me feeling like I'm 12 years old all over again. But yep. Guys, should we tidy up before we go? No way. Look at that. Look at it.
Fucking beautiful.
Beautiful. Look at that view. Nuclear bomb in the background. I love it. I absolutely. You had a good night. You had a good time.
I'm going home.
Well, get your hand out of my pocket. What are you doing? No matter what, without fail, when I walk through this ginnel, I always go like that and brush past this. Lavender. Oh, it's heavenly. Sunday Club's arrived. Easy, the big man himself. Selling shotguns. We got. We are 10 minutes late, to be fair. Wait. Molly, how red is he? He looks like the brick.
He's like your skin on a reflection.
He looks like the brick. Ah! Whoa, no spilling it. Thank you, please. Thank you for nailed it. Don't leave me out. What's going on here?
Courage, mate. 2K12.
Sunday club. To Ben Jemima. Yeah. Oh, what is it? Yeah. Billionaire Boy Club. Look at it. Billionaire Boy Club. What he's got? What? Rhino, you said you're alright now. Excuse me. Yes.
On you, pussy.
To Sunday Club. To business.
Who the fuck shot it everywhere?
Who didn't do it?
What did you just say?
This is what you call going white gold wasted.
No way. Well, we tried to do a shot, but Becky dropped all 6 of them. Therefore, she had to buy some more.
I've got a video.
Wait, what did you just do? Zach, stop talking to 12-year-olds and come over here.
Right, Zach's been sending these dick pics. And they're 14 years old.
You've just got...
Fucking hellfire!
I like to drink this Sam.
Cause Sam is a mate, and when we drink we say... Hey, what? Can you remember? That's the 5-minute timer until Chinese food at my house. I've ordered so much Chinese food to my house. I cannot wait to get home. What are you saying? This is a personal message from you to Courage.
Hey, Courage. Alright.
You're like his English twin.
Hey, he is. He's my twin.
Tell me right now, has this not been the best Sunday club ever?
I'm never joining Sunday Club with him ever again.
Why?
But if you want a t-shirt, 5% discount, hashtag Syndicate Original. Office is over. Sorry, Alice.
Wait, so they get free shipping, and if they use the code Syndicate Original, they get 5% off their order?
If you use code Big Tasty, you get 10% off.
For 24 hours?
No, 32 hours.
24 hours.
Sorry, Alice.
24 hours.
24 hours.
Good decisions.
What do you think?
Oh my God. Feast till the motherfucking dawn of time. Oh, selling shotguns. How amazing was that food?
Courage. I'm not happy with you.
What? Because it didn't answer your phone call?
It didn't.
Oh.
Piss off, you.
3, 2, 1. Oh. What a fucking legend. Hey! Good night. Oh, goddamn yes. Get out my house, you bogus ladies.
You bogus gasman.
Good night.
Good fucking
Mate,
night.
I'm wearing a fucking sock on my fist. What?
And then there was two bogus gasmen with fake ID.
Oh my God.
Where's Rhino?
Oh my God, don't even say that. You know we'll find Rhino just randomly sat in a fucking corner.
It'll be in the fucking.
Rhino, what are you doing over there?
No.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it's a new dawn and a new day. Tom, how are you feeling?
Fresh.
Rob, how are you feeling?
Fresh as a daisy.
Me too, actually. Unfortunately, my house, not so much. Now, you might think I'd actually be feeling like crap after that night, but I actually feel absolutely amazing. And your boy actually got somewhat of a suntan. Sunday Club was an amazing success. Well, I just want to say, I know this video's got up really late, but my head's just fallen off. Like, the past 2 days of partying, it's so difficult to be able to sit down and edit the videos whilst mid-partying with, like, guests or people at my house and stuff like that, because I have to disappear for, like, an hour, hour and a half, and I just can't do that when I have people at my house. So I'm really sorry it was late. I know it really sucks, and I need to get my shit together, but guys, what an amazing vlog. It's just so much fun that, like, you see the lads just pick up my phone and film here and film there, because it's become like not this just Life of Tom channel anymore that's just based around like me and what I'm doing. It's like what me and my family are doing or me and my friends are doing, and like I feel like you guys know my friends better than you do some of your own friends, because it's just the most amazing like group of people, and like everyone brings just such a character to the table, whether it's they're an alcoholic, they're just an idiot, they're so funny, or like whatever. It's just truly amazing, and I cannot thank my mates just for being who they are and just being the best people in the world. Like, they've been my day ones, like they've always kept me grounded, like with my job and all this, and you know I owe a lot to them, so I really appreciate them. So yeah, what an absolute blast. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget, with the code that you heard Sam in here saying, if you use code BIGTASTY you get 10% off Syndicate Original. Well, obviously I can't get that set up at 9 o'clock at night, so I'll try and get it done tomorrow, as well as the fact, don't forget, that if you use the code free shipping right now, like free shipping, that actually will give you free shipping if you're in the UK. Like, there's no minimum spend or anything like that. You can order anything off the website, and you can order everything off the website and just use code free shipping. You'll get free like shipping in the UK. But if you're in America or international, I think your order needs to be over $25. Then use the code, then you get free shipping. So just a heads up to the word to the wise there. But guys, by the time this video got uploaded, it was like 10 PM on a Monday. I hope you had a great Sunday. I hope you enjoyed being out in the sun if you did manage to do that. And nonetheless, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, 7 PM for the next daily vlog. So until then, make sure you leave a like rating, click subscribe. Let me know what your favourite moment out of the vlog was, because for me, it was definitely, like, there was so much that you didn't see that I had to cut just because it was either inappropriate, just ridiculous, or whatever. But it's just so much fun, and I love it. I officially love Sundays. I don't think every Sunday is ever going to be like that, because, you know, it is, you know, it was the bank holiday. But man, if we could have a Sunday club every week, man, I would absolutely love it. But anyway, guys, I'm going. Thank you so much for watching. Only one more week to go until Orion's back full time, and the videos can be relied upon. We can rely on the uploads. I can go traveling, and we can have some adventures. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Much love, and adios.